Hi folks, this is Ben with Pierre Driving School. Today I'm gonna cover with you 10 tips for new driver. 10 tips that for new driver, even advanced drivers sometimes be slipping off those tips, not going over them. So I'm gonna go over that with you guys because I have a lot of students been asking this, right? Now, you about to walk out of your house with your car. Before getting in the car, many people don't do that. You do a walkthrough inspection that will take you a couple minutes. Why do you do a walkthrough inspection? Because you park your car, it's a possibility while you're getting up to go out and you got a flat tire, you see? Doing a quick walkthrough of the car, because that had happened in numerous occasions where I'm getting out to get in my car and not checking, not doing my walkthrough, and when I pulled out and it's just flat tire. You see the quick walkthrough, you're calling that a visual inspection. Takes a second. See, walk all around the car. Okay, no flat tires, quick and easy. I see no flat tires in the car, and a quick walkthrough of the windshield. I'm looking at the windshield here. There is no crack on the windshield. Okay, everything good, because one thing you don't want here is to hit the road with a big crack on your windshield and not knowing that and getting in the car. Then that's trouble, because in New York City here, you cannot be driving with a cracked windshield. Okay, you do a quick walkthrough inspection. Everything is good. You make sure you got your key and you get in your car. Right? Open the door now. Get in the car. Good. Now, number 2, although I'm coming from my house, while I'm still sitting in the car, I'm making sure that I check my wallet, make sure that my license is in my pocket, all right? So because you cannot be driving without a license here, because certain states, they will give you trouble. That's the second thing that I do. I've already do my walkthrough, I'm checking my license, and I have my license and everything, I'm good to go. Now, while I'm in the car, before I even starting the car, the number 3 thing that I will do is to check the insurance registration of the car. Make sure they're all in the car with me, because you do not want to be driving in the street and you get pulled over by the police and they ask you for license, insurance of the car. You do not have those documents with you. You don't want to do that, right? Now you got those 3 things with you. Now we're gonna go for number 4. Number 4, while we're in the car, now we're gonna start the car, right? I'm gonna show you here. As we're starting the car, okay? Start the car now. Okay, good. Now, after I finish starting the car, give it a minute for the car to settle. Make sure that you do not have any unusual light that says on the car, right? Only reason I have this light here, I'm gonna put on my seatbelt. Okay, gonna put on my seatbelt. They're gonna take care of this light right here. Good, I put on my seatbelt. If you guys notice, there is no unusual light in your car. That's number 4, right? Nothing unusual, everything is normal. Now, number 5, what we will do, you check your gas gauges. You see, in my instance here, I got a full tank of gas. The worst thing you want to happen to you is you hitting the street, not paying attention with the gas tank, and while you in the middle of your driving, then you notice that you have no gas. You do not want that. You want to make sure you take care of those things as well, right? Now, number 5 thing for you to do is knowing, in the event that anything were to happen, if you have to put gas in the car, where is the gauge? How do you put gas in your car? We have a video for that, but you also check that as well if you're brand new to the car, right? Now, number 6, what do? You do a quick check-in in the thing that inside the car you have access with. What is that now? You check the windshield wiper. It takes a second, okay? Why am I checking the windshield wiper right here? In the event that you're driving in the street and you're on the highway, it busts out a rain. Now that's when you check your windshield wiper. You see that it's not working. You do not want to do those things, right? Number 7, now you don't do your visual inspection. You check your wiper and everything is working. Now you're gonna quick do a check on your pedal. Why is that, folks? I've seen it on numerous occasions. Myself, that happened to me. I'm ready to pull out, hit on the brake, went straight flat on the ground. Believe it or not, guys, can you imagine how much stressful that can be? You check the pedal real quick. It doesn't take you a minute. It's not gonna hurt you. See, my gas pedal is revving nice, and the brake pedal, okay, I got tension, nice and smooth. I got tension, nice and smooth. It's not going all the way flat on the ground. You do not want to let that happen, right? Number 9. After checking all these things here, you're gonna make sure that you're ready to pull out is safe and good. What is the thing for you to do, guys? You guys are gonna be in shock. Number 9, never ever accelerate or pulling out without checking the gear that your car is in. I've seen it in numerous occasions. Let me give you a quick backstory. My wife friend is in the driveway. that's it. I'm driving to the garage. Now, ready to pull out, thinking that a car was in reverse. Get where she put the car, guys, into drive. Hit the accelerator. You guys know what happened from there. Drive right into the house, all right? Always making sure, guys, I'm going to show you here. You see, I'm ready to pull out. I'm making sure that my car either on reverse, if I want it to be in reverse, or drive. Before I fully engage the accelerator, I'm making sure that I check the gear to know what gear selection my car is in. All right, guys? And number 10, you guys know what number 10 gonna be? Always making sure that you buckled up and everything in your car, to your visual inspection, to your liking, is ready for you to hit the road. All right, folks? These are the 10 tips I like to share with you as a new driver to get those things done before you get in the car, before taking on the road in the car, to make sure to what you can visually inspect. We're gonna do another video where we can open the hood. That may be not too much for you because some people is not inclined when it comes to mechanical part of the car. But however, the visual thing, always make sure you check those things before pulling out with your car to the best of your ability. In the unlikely event anything were to happen, at a bare minimum, you know those things were working. And guess what? I'm going to give you one bonus is number 11. Number 11 is to subscribe to the channel. So each time that we drop a video like this, you will be the first one to be notified. If you have not yet do so, you can do that now. It costs you nothing to do that. Just been here with Pierre Driving School. Until then, keep practicing. Take care now, folks. Bye-bye.